on the griddle, baby. Get it while it's hot. I'll meet you in the middle. You can show me what you got. If you're feeling lucky tonight, ooh, Diamond City, yeah, that's my thing. I flash my style, I show my rings. I do the boys a favor with all my manual labor. It's good to be a good neighbor. I do the boys a favor with all my manual labor. It's good to be a good neighbor.
I hope you enjoyed that last song. Okay. So the Minutemen are out there doing things in the Commonwealth. What kind of things you ask? Well, I will tell you. I have heard that they have taken over the castle, which I guess was there a long time ago, but hasn't been for a while. It had been full of fish, or monsters, or monster fish. Maybe. I don't know. Not relevant. The Minutemen are there now. That's good for them.